If I lost everything today and had to start from zero in 2026, I would not build a traditional business. No office, no huge team, no massive budget. Because right now, one person with AI can build faster, create better content, and compete with companies that took years to grow. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI business system I would use if I had to start all over again. A few years ago, building a successful business required money, employees, freelancers, and endless hours of work. You needed writers, designers, editors, marketers, and expensive tools just to compete online. That world is changing fast. In 2026, AI has completely shifted the business landscape. One person with the right AI workflow can now do the work that used to require an entire team. And the biggest opportunity right now isn't just using AI for small tasks. It's building your entire business around AI from day one. So if I were starting from zero today, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would pick a niche that solves a real problem. Not random trends, not oversaturated markets. I'd use AI tools to research competitors, analyze customer pain points, and identify opportunities most people are ignoring. What used to take weeks of research can now happen in a few hours. Second, this is where most people fail. They use generic AI content that sounds robotic and forgettable. But when AI understands your thinking, your content becomes unique. Your videos, scripts, posts, and emails start sounding consistent and professional. That becomes your advantage. Third, I would start creating content immediately before launching any product. Most people waste months building websites, logos, and complicated systems before building attention. That's backwards. In 2026, attention is the real currency. If people already trust you before you launch, selling becomes much easier. I'd use AI to create YouTube videos, short clips, blog posts, emails, and social content consistently without needing a huge team. But here's the important part. AI should not replace your thinking. It should amplify it. The businesses winning right now are not the ones spamming AI content everywhere. They're the ones combining human creativity with AI speed. Next, I would automate repetitive work as early as possible. Customer replies, scheduling, research, lead generation, and reporting can now be handled by AI systems and agents. That means you spend more time on strategy and creativity, while AI handles repetitive execution. And this is why small businesses are suddenly competing with giant companies, because AI reduces the cost of execution dramatically. A small creator with the right AI systems can now outperform companies with huge teams but outdated workflows. The biggest advantage in the AI era won't belong to the richest people. It will belong to the fastest adapters. Because the barrier to entry is collapsing in real time, you no longer need permission to build something valuable. You need skills, adaptability, and the courage to start before you feel ready. The question is no longer whether AI will change business. It already has. The real question is whether you'll build with it or get left behind by people who do.